Hi, Tom Tresser here from the Civic Lab in Chicago. Have you ever thought about running for local office or helping someone to run? Well, I wish you would. America needs more champions of justice, peace, service, and equality in local office everywhere. This workshop, Grassroots Campaigning 101, lays out a roadmap for how to think about running for local office or helping someone to run. It's about an hour and 30 minutes long, and it's full of good advice and tips on how to get ready and prepare. We have two special guests, Rebecca Reynolds-Williams, who's a seasoned veteran campaigner here in the city and has taken on many tough races. Lots of good advice for first-time campaigners, and also, who exactly is qualified to run? The answer may surprise you. And Jamal Cole, founder and executive director of My Block, My Hood, My City, who is a candidate for the United States Congress, and will share his pathway to politics and why it's important for you to run. And even if you lose the first race, why it's a victory in the long run. I hope you'll join us. You can get more information if you email us at info@civiclab.us. Thank you.